guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back and I'm better. I'm back and I'm better. What? I say I'm back, and I'm better. If you guys are new to my channel, I just want to say thank you so much for clicking on my video. My name is Edwina Dorber and welcome to Dwayne's World. As you guys can tell from the title of the video, today I'm going to be doing a review, an install and curls on my head from my first wig. This is the collaboration with them and I'm super excited to show you guys my process with this hair. I love it. Don't forget to go ahead and share this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn your post notification bell on. I love you guys. Stay tuned. Let's get right into the video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video today. If you love this video, definitely go ahead and comment down below. I love the curls in his hair. I love the ombre effect. When I first got the wig, I was like, it's not given compared to the picture. But then after I layered the hair, flat ironed it and curled it, it looks so good. And then obviously with the makeup add on, it just brings the hair to life. I love this hair so much. This is my first time trying like an ombre type of look on my head. If you guys want to see more videos like this, definitely go ahead and comment down below. Don't forget to go ahead and share this video with your friends and families. Subscribe to my channel, turn your post notification bell on, and obviously join the I'm Back and Better squad. I'm gonna try to post at least once a week. I'm trying. I've been going for so long. But anyways, I love you guys. Stay safe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.